Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aslam Hilmi bin Muhammad Nasruddin. I am a supervisee of Dr. Azmi bin Aminuddin, and today I want to present about my final year project thesis, which is Smart Contactless Attendance System using Arduino. Okay. For the background of the company, OSO Solution was established at 25 of August 2020. The company based at Bukit Jelutong, Shah Alam and being operated with 25 staff. OSO Solution Sdn Bhd provide a platform provider connecting business with customers using mobile apps. Current situation in the company, the system that they use to the employee to record their attendance is by using paper base that they have print out. The attendance book cannot tell if the employee are forging with their friend's signature. Also, in the new normal that we have adapted nowadays, the company also use MCP infrared forehead thermometer gun for body temperature to check the employee temperature before entering the office to prevent the spread of the pandemic of COVID-19. For the probate segment that have been gathered by using paper-based attendance system, it will create time-consuming and effort to fill the attendance form. The common issue is always associated with a time consumption. Second problem, the repetitive task of the attendance taking and the temperature logging consume considerable amount of manpower, time and administrative resource. Problem number three, since the COVID-19 pandemic, most of people infected by communicable disease. Body temperature monitoring is effective for the prevent of the outbreak such as disease. Okay, project aim. Project aim for this project is to develop contactless attended web-based system using Arduino for OSO Solutions Sdn Bhd to record their daily attendance and avoid contact during COVID-19 pandemic. For objective, solution 1 is to gather and analyze requirement to build the attendance system. Then, to design the system based on analyzed requirement. Third, to develop a smart and contactless attendance system using Arduino. First of solution in the process of developing SCASA is to develop a smart system by using RFID card and sensor that can be reduced time consuming by touch and scan. Second, to develop a smart attendance system to replace the traditional attendance system by RFID real-time log data. Third, to be used by employee using touch and scan with body temperature detection to reduce contactless during pandemic. For methodology in developing smart contactless attendance system using Arduino, SCASA is by using iterative model. Why is iterative model? Because it can iterate if any change in each phase. Then, it's more flexible than traditional waterfall model. Furthermore, it can gain feedback from the stakeholder. This is a SCASA use case diagram. It has 11 use case diagram, which is crude, and some function for the Arduino and the system to interact. Okay, this is the entity rationale diagram for the SCASA, which is required 3 table, which is admin, attendance, and staff. Now we proceed to network and device configuration. For the configuration, we need the IP address to to link up the device, which is Arduino, to the system. So we use an local IP address, which is my laptop, and then connect to the internet, and then we configure at the Arduino IDE, and based on the link and the data and the data that that it received from the Arduino will send to the web server. Next, the system architecture. For SCSI device, it's use the Wi-Fi to connect to the system, and then it use a Wi-Fi module to link up the system device to the database. Then we proceed to the SCSI device. This is uh, the circuit diagram of the system architecture that are configured for the SCSI. Next, we proceed for the system demo. For the attendance, only HOD and admin can see the attendance of the staff by the staff scanning their temperature and the RFID card. So we proceed for the attendance of the staff. As we can see in the table, there is no staff that scan the attendance. Okay, we try for one staff. Okay, after I scan the temperature and the RFID card, the data will show here the number of temperature and the time that the staff attend the office. Okay, for the second scan, it will detect checkout. For example, we need to scan it first, the temperature, and then we proceed to the RFID scan, and then we refresh, and then as we can see here, the check-in and check-out will be shown in the table. For the system demo, it have 3 user, which is staff, admin, and HOD. HOD is like and super admin. Admin is a admin and staff is a employee. for the staff, it only can be registered by the admin, and the admin has to be registered by the HOD, which is head of department. Okay, so now we go through for the head of department interface. Okay, now you just type the user and the password, and then we proceed to the head of department interface. Okay, first, head of department can see the dashboard and can edit the profile, and then it also can see the attendance list of the employee, and then it also can export the table using the export button to create a Excel document for the data table, as you can see here. And then HOD also can see the list of the admin, which is this view, and then HOD also can add new admin. And then admin need to fill in the RFID tag number, and then choose the status of the admin, and then select the date. Then AME has been added in the system. Also, HOD can edit admin detail, which is this one. Then data will be updated, and then HOD also can see the staff list, which is here. Also, HOD also can create, update and delete in the system. For example, you need to fill in the detail, and the RFID tag. Then choose the number of full time, and then submit. Then we can see that Amina Zainab has been added to the system. And now we proceed for the admin interface. Admin can be logged in if it has been assigned from the head of department HOD by using the email and password. Okay, in the admin interface, it can only show uh, attendance and staff. For the staff interface, you can view the current data that had been scanned from the staff. Also, admin can also export the table to the Excel file, which is this. Then also, admin can also manage staff by creating staff, view, and update. And also delete. That's all from me for the stuff for the admin interface.